Across the magnificent natural world, vibrant colors shine everywhere. From lush foliage and unique wildlife to microscopic molds, all contribute to the breathtaking canvas of life. But why does nature wear colors? It's not merely for beauty, but serves as a weapon for survival. Each hue carries a message, a warning, camouflage, or an invitation to attract a mate. Behind this beauty lies an unending struggle. In the heart of ancient forests, plants constantly battle for sunlight and nutrients. Towering trees, triumphant in their quest, dominate the upper canopy, soaking up precious rays from the sun. Meanwhile, smaller plants persist below, filling every gap and adapting to thrive in the shadows. Layer upon layer, these plants create a rich and resilient ecosystem of primary forests. Forests are also a stage for fierce competition. Here, every creature plays its role in the intricate web of life. Predators, prey, plants, and microbes all interconnected in the closed cycle of the food chain. And so, under the glowing orange sky, the wilderness silently writes its never-ending story of survival. Earth is gifted with a miraculous wonder, the ability of green plants to photosynthesize. This process transforms forests into gigantic oxygen factories, consistently producing millions of oxygen molecules every hour, sustaining life for countless species on our planet. Not only are green plants the lungs of the earth, but they also function as incredibly efficient natural air conditioners. Each day, a single tree can transpire up to 400 liters of water through its leaves, creating a cooling effect equivalent to 5 air conditioners running continuously for 20 hours. When multiplied by billions in forests, we have a colossal air conditioning system that consumes no energy, providing refreshing coolness to the earth. The leaves of plants, a natural wonder, contain two groups of pigments that work simultaneously. Dominant chlorophyll pigments give leaves their green color, while accessory pigments add a diverse range of hues, albeit in smaller amounts. When sunlight, a combination of 7 rainbow colors, shines on the leaves, chlorophyll absorbs most colors and reflects back green, creating a characteristic freshness. Chlorophyll is the central machinery of photosynthesis. Here, intricate chemical reactions occur, indirectly producing all the oxygen necessary for life while also contributing to the formation of the ozone layer, our planet's protective shield. Nature is indeed a master architect, creating a perfect balance among ecosystems and life itself. As the last rains quietly fade away, giving way to the harsh dry season, lush forests begin their magical transformation. The vibrant green of the leaves gradually gives way to warm shades of gold as they near the end of their life cycle. Each leaf, like a silent performer, exits the stage, but leaves behind a striking symphony of colors. This wondrous phenomenon turns the entire forest into a radiant masterpiece, where nature delivers a spectacular feast of hues, marking the emotional transition of autumn's arrival. As autumn transitions into winter, the scorching sunny days gradually shorten, giving way to cooler nights that last longer than in other seasons. This shift in weather brings about remarkable changes in the life processes of trees. During this phase, when the primary function of the leaves' energy production is no longer necessary, the trees begin to prepare for the dry season. A major challenge is to minimize water loss through the leaves, ensuring survival through the harsh winter months. The best solution for this issue is for the tree to shed its old leaves. This is not just a biological process, but a survival strategy of nature. When the tree decides to shed its leaves, a special layer of cells forms between the branch and leaf stem, acting like a gate that prevents water from moving up. At the same time, the production of chlorophyll stops, causing the green color of the leaves to gradually fade. As chlorophyll diminishes, other pigments in the leaves, such as yellow, orange, red, and brown, start to dominate, creating a vibrant and emotional display of colors in the autumn and winter. A quiet yet magical farewell from the leaves to their beloved branches. Nature itself is the artist of those enchanting golden autumn scenes, where hues of yellow blanket the land, painting a mesmerizing picture that captivates all who see it. Millions of tons of dry leaves fall to the ground, quietly decomposing to form fertile humus that enriches the soil. These leaves provide essential nutrients, nurturing plants and sustaining the closed cycle of life within the plant kingdom. As the dry season reaches its peak, each forest adorns its own unique palette of colors, showcasing a distinctive beauty and vibrant resilience even in the harshest conditions. The natural world holds a powerful, latent vitality, waiting for the first seasonal rains to awaken it. At that moment, forests come alive with tender buds and fresh greenery, brimming with life. Nature's wonders are always adorned with vibrant and mesmerizing colors. The Creator has bestowed upon all creatures their unique hues, not only as a means of survival, but also as a way to assert their presence in the grand tapestry of life. The cyclical emergence of each species according to the seasons transforms nature's canvas into a dynamic masterpiece, constantly shifting and leaving humanity in awe of its ever-changing beauty. The vast forests thrive and grow thanks to an immense army of birds and insects. Flowers, with their vibrant colors, serve as perfect calling cards for trees, extending a sweet invitation to nature's visitors. The alluring hues of the blossoms beckon visits from nectar-loving birds and insects, offering them a sweet reward. In return, these visitors unwittingly become messengers, carrying pollen far and wide, a fair trade for the feast they enjoy. Pollen is carried through the air by wind and wings, quietly traveling to other trees across the expansive forest, where the magic of pollination occurs. The pollinated flowers transform into fruits, another enticing treat for many creatures. Though plants remain rooted in place, their fruits and seeds possess the incredible ability to journey far beyond their origin, spreading life to new lands. This ingenious dispersal ability has enabled the plant kingdom to conquer every corner of the living world, creating a diverse and thriving ecosystem. The seeds are ready for their new adventure. Now, the trees need a little help in dispersing and planting these tiny vessels of life. Fruit-eating animals are exceptional seed sowers. Thanks to them, seeds are scattered across vast forests, carrying life farther than any wind could. Fruit-eating birds are irresistibly drawn to trees laden with ripe fruits. From early morning, the forest awakens to a symphony of chirping, occasionally interrupted by the distant calls of gibbons. Many birds swallow whole fruits, digesting only the soft, fleshy pulp. The tough seeds are delivered through their droppings, scattered far and wide as the birds fly across the forest. Each seed finds its way to the ground, ready to sprout miles away from its parent tree. Beneath the serene facade of the forest lies a fierce marathon among plants. Only the strongest and most resilient trees can survive and thrive in the relentless battle for survival. This young sapling is likely one of thousands of individuals that will compete fiercely for survival in the vast, pristine forest. If it survives, perhaps after many decades, it will stretch upwards, reaching for the sunlight. Spring has truly arrived as vibrant orchids compete to display their beauty across the tropical forests. In the plant kingdom, orchids stand out as one of the most diverse families, thriving in various terrains, from lush, humid rainforests to chilly mountain regions, painting a colorful picture of nature. However, each type of orchid requires specific environmental conditions to flourish. Epiphytic orchids often cling to the trunks of trees, while terrestrial orchids prefer to bloom on the ground. Some unique species even grow on mossy rocks, known as lithophytic orchids, adding an extraordinary charm to the landscape. Orchids are not merely flowers, they are often likened to the queens of beauty in nature. With their elegant shapes and vibrant colors, they captivate the heart, bringing life and freshness to the spring season. Each bloom symbolizes vitality and stands as a testament to the strength and diversity of the natural world. Let us admire this breathtaking beauty and feel the essence of spring fill in the air. The shape of the petals and their unique structure are the key factors that attract insects to pollinate orchids. In the rich world of orchids, their diversity in shape and color makes them masterpieces of nature, showcasing nearly all the shades of the rainbow. The flower clusters often droop, creating a delightful feast for bees and butterflies. These creatures come not only to sip nectar, but also play a crucial role in the pollination process, helping orchids to reproduce and thrive. With their perfect beauty and allure, orchids are not just symbols of nature, but also a testament to the wonders of plant life. Let us explore this beauty and feel the vibrant life it brings. As the rainy season reaches its peak, the mountains and forests are adorned with a fresh cloak. The continuous downpours bring abundant life to nature, making the landscape more vibrant and lively than ever. Fog blankets the mountain peaks, creating a scene that is both mystical and majestic. Wisps of white clouds float like ethereal veils, mingling with the lush green of the trees, forming a breathtaking tableau of nature. In the damp air, the sound of flowing water and the rustling leaves create a symphony that harmonizes with the environment, providing a soothing experience for the soul. The rainy season not only revitalizes the flora, but also offers an ideal opportunity to explore the stunning beauty of the mountains and forests. Let's experience the incredible moments within this grand and tranquil space. The humid climate creates ideal conditions for the growth of various fungi. Fungi are not only essential organisms in nature, but also play a crucial role in the cycle of material transformation and exchange. Together with bacteria, they are key decomposers that keep the ecosystems of our planet functioning effectively. In the past, scientists classified fungi as part of the plant kingdom. However, recent studies have shown that fungi deserve recognition as a separate kingdom, distinct from plants. Fungi lack the tissue structure found in plants. They can be unicellular or multicellular and do not contain chlorophyll. The storage substances in fungi are also not starch or glycogen like in plants and animals. Instead, fungi reproduce through spores or vegetative reproduction via mycelium. Interestingly, fungi cannot directly absorb nutrients. Instead, they secrete enzymes to break down complex molecules into soluble substances, allowing them to absorb and utilize these nutrients. Fungi are not just fascinating organisms in nature. They are vital factors in maintaining life and balance within ecosystems. Let's explore the intriguing world of fungi and their roles in our lives. Most fungi live as saprophytes, meaning they absorb nutrients from dead organic matter. A small number, however, are parasitic, feeding directly on the living bodies of other organisms. Saprophytic fungi play a crucial role in the material cycling of nature. They decompose dead plant and animal matter into simple inorganic substances, helping to resolve the accumulation of dead matter on the ground, while providing inorganic nutrients for plants to synthesize organic compounds. These organic compounds, in turn, become the source of life for all organisms on Earth. The majority of fungi are not visible to the naked eye. The species that humans can observe in nature represent only a tiny fraction of the fungal world. Mushrooms and molds are two groups that can be seen when they are in their fruiting stages. The fruiting bodies of each type vary in shape, size, and color. Today, fungi are widely applied in various aspects of life. They are used in food technology, as food, to assist in fermentation processes, and in the production of antibiotics, hormones, enzymes, and in medicine. However, some fungi contain toxins, particularly brightly colored species, which can pose dangers to animals and humans. Mother Nature always finds ways to address complex issues with the simplest solutions. Each organism is a vital link in the web of natural life. They compete, but also depend on one another according to the laws of the food chain. When a species becomes extinct, the link in the web of life breaks, significantly impacting the order and balance of nature. To effectively preserve biodiversity, it is essential to protect the habitats of these species while conserving all groups of flora and fauna. These components form the foundation for a sustainable ecosystem on Earth. Bye. Let's like and subscribe for Feely Wild for a better world.